Have you ever wondered what the difference is between a modem and a router? If not, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll discuss the key differences between a modem and a router and how they work together to provide you with an internet connection. A modem is a device that sends digital signals over telephone lines to your internet service provider, or ISP, to establish an internet connection. It takes the signal from your ISP and converts it into a format that your computer can understand. This connection is then used to access the internet. A router, on the other hand, is a device that connects multiple computers and other devices, such as smartphones and tablets, to the same network. It works by receiving the internet signal from your modem and then distributing it to all the devices connected to it. The main difference between a modem and a router is that a modem is used to establish an internet connection, while a router is used to manage the traffic within the network. While modems establish the connection, routers manage the data that is sent and received over that connection. For example, when you make a request to a website, the request is sent over the internet connection established by the modem. The router then takes the request and sends it to the server that hosts the website. When the server responds with a website, the router then takes the response and routes it back to your computer. Another key difference between a modem and a router is that a modem can only be used to connect one device to the internet, while a router can be used to connect multiple devices. This means that if you want to connect multiple computers and devices to the internet, you will need to use a router. So, to sum it up, a modem is used to establish the internet connection, while a router is used to manage the data that is sent and received over that connection. They both work together to provide you with an internet connection, and if you have multiple devices that need to be connected to the internet, you will need to use a router. We hope this video has helped you understand the key differences between a modem and a router. Thanks for watching.